In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font size in AutoCAD step by step, whether you want to adjust the size for new text or update existing text already in your drawing. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially if your annotations look too small, too large, or just need to be made consistent across your project. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, we'll change the text style settings. To do that, type style into the command line and press enter. This opens the text style window where you can control how your text appears in the drawing. In the text style window, look for the style that you are currently using. If you have more than one style listed, make sure you select the correct one so you don't change the wrong text style by mistake. After selecting the style, find the height value. This is the setting that controls the text size for that style. Change the height value to the text size you want to use. You can enter a value based on your drawing scale and the appearance you need. Once you've entered the new height, click Apply and then click Set Current so AutoCAD uses that updated text style moving forward. After that, click Close to exit the window. At this point, any new text you create using that style will use the updated font size. Now, if you also want to change the size of text that already exists in the drawing, there's another quick method. First, select the text object in your drawing that you want to resize. You can click on a single text item or select multiple text objects if you want to update several at once. Once the text is selected, open the Properties panel by pressing Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. In the Properties panel, look for the Text Height option. This is where you can directly adjust the size of the selected text. Change the text height to the required size, and AutoCAD will update the selected text immediately. This method is especially helpful when you only want to resize specific text without changing the entire text style. So to recap, use the style command to change the font size for the text style itself, and use the properties panel if you need to change existing text individually. That way, you can control both new and current text quickly and accurately inside your drawing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.